5 simple steps to start the Life Energy diet today. Ready to feel better naturally? This video gives you 5 simple steps to start healing your body and restoring your energy today. They're easy, actionable, and rooted in the wisdom of the Life Energy diet, a part of the Total Life Energy plan. Step 1. Replace processed snacks with real whole foods. Swap out chips and cookies for natural, nourishing options like grains, freshly toasted nuts, or fresh seasonal fruit. These foods feed your body and your energy system. Step 2. Add 1 seasonal local food to each meal. Nature changes through the earth, sun, and moon. So should your plate. Adding local seasonal foods helps your body stay in sync with the natural world and thrive through each season. Step 3. Practice mindful eating. Slow down, be present, chew thoroughly, put away distractions, and let your body focus on digesting and absorbing energy from your food. Step 4. Cook with traditional methods. Microwaves and deep fryers destroy food's subtle life energy. Use boiling, steaming, slow cooking, or quick heat stir-frying to cook meals that restore and support your organs. Step 5. Keep a daily energy and mood journal. Noticing your energy, sleep, digestion, and mood can help you understand what your body needs and how it's healing. Awareness is powerful. These aren't diet trends. They're time-tested healing principles designed to nourish your body and awaken your life energy. The Life Energy diet is part of the Total Life Energy plan, created by Julia Sun. It's about food, but also lifestyle, Qigong-based energy healing, and a return to natural rhythms that support true, lasting health. Want step-by-step guidance? Get Julia's book, Total Life Energy Plan, available now. Or schedule a health consultation or healing session to get personal support. Food is the best medicine. The kitchen is the best pharmacy. The body is the best healer. We are the best doctor for ourselves. Start today, heal deeply, live fully with the Life Energy diet. Subscribe for more healing stories, Qigong wisdom, and energy-based health guidance. Head to TotalLifeEnergyPlan.com to learn more. And don't forget to check out our Life Energy diet video playlist right here on the channel.